here's the base. We got 2 glow sticks hung up. It's about 4:30 in the morning. Once again, the tarp's up there. We still got our post. I'm honestly surprised it stayed up. The ground's a lot less wet than it was last time. It's still very muddy, but it's not as wet. We have our little mound to sit on. It's quite nice. And yeah, we got our little escape in case we need to. There's another dirt mound that we dug over there, so if we need to run, we got that. And yeah, that's it. Hopefully we dominate this game. I'm pretty sure we will, but yeah, we shall see. Here's the base once again. We added a tarp on the roof, another peg, got some glow sticks set up. We had them hung up, but we don't want them to see our position now that it's 5. So we got a lot of light out. Rifles right there. More glow sticks to lead our path in case we gotta make a quick sprint for it. But yeah, the moon's still out, which is nice. Don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. Yeah, the camera's on. We're rolling. Push up and kill him. These guys don't know what's in there. What the fuck? Okay. M4's not working. I gotta get my AK out. Push them back. Use your full auto and fuck them up.
You ready?
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go grab Julian's shield.
You're cooked. He's right in front of us.
Okay.
I'll cover fire, actually. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
He's eliminated! Surrender now! He's dead! News! Perfect. Push that. Move up! My gun is jammed! Make it back to the echo. Good. AK. Prepping another grenade. Cover, cover! Cover, cover! Grenade! Grenade! I got him! I got him! Move up! He's down! My leg! My leg! My leg! Thank you. Okay, you should be fine. Kid's got a scratch. I'm gonna push. Go on again. Got it. Watch your knife. I'm all fogged up.
Dead. He's dead.
Look out, look out, look out. Oh, this guy. Gotta get him. If you keep making me retreat, we're not gonna get him.
I didn't find where the old they usually hide.
We just play a long game.
Yeah, he's just hiding. There's no way we can get him.
No.
I'll hit him so fast he doesn't.
Okay, I'm gonna make sure he calls it then. Give me a second. Heads up, grenade down! I'll blow your fucking head off! Heads up! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Stand up! Walk towards my voice! If you turn around, I'm blowing your head off. Walk. Now stand there. Take off your vest. Take off your vest quicker! He's dead! So this is the finished product. We honestly didn't have much. It was about 5 minutes since the last video. We didn't really add much. We were gonna add like supports back here, but it's solid enough. We added some little some nails just there and there. We added this tarp for cover back here. We made a little way for it to drain out, so it'll catch like, oh yeah, go might have to. It was supposed to like kind of, the idea was that it would catch there, run down and drain down there, because all this is all like a swamp. That's why we kind of built here, because all here is a swamp, so it's hard to get to. And yeah, that's about it. She's looking good. I'm crouched down. This is what the helmet view is, so you guys can see it better than I can, honestly, because for me, I'm very well covered, but for you guys, I don't know. I know the helmet's definitely poking out a little bit, but this side's really well covered. And obviously, we're not really going for stealth due to it being blue and green, but I feel like we did quite a good job on this one. Yeah, put a lot of work into it, and yeah, it's looking good. I'm proud of us. Okay. Gun for this game, guys. KS1 and big AK.
Bro, I can't move
My
around
case.
out here.
Move the case. Move the case. Move the case. Quick. Quick, 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 quick. Okay, I'm gonna go get him with the KS1.
Hide over there.
Yeah. He's hit.
Yeah. I don't think he's calling.
Me neither. Watch this. Moving in. He's dead. I got two! Oh, he's dead. Shit. Yeah! He shot.
My battery's dead. I gotta change my battery. Quick, shot. Shot my arm. I was trying to get my battery.
What arm?
This one.
I got him! Push in for the kill! Push in for the kill! He's down! Hey, let's go, brother. Back for this thing once again. KS1. Try to put him down with it. Is my camera good? She's good? Alright, let's go. Let's wait. Oh shit.
Come on, pussy!
Just keep suppressing. Good shots, good shots.
Empty. I'm getting shot at though.
Yeah, get down, get down.
Oh, I'm good. I gotta do it upside down.
Oh, let me see this. Look at this, guys. He's cooked.
Fuck, my mags are fucked.
I'm waiting for a shot.
You wanna go single?
I see Julian coming around. I'm gonna take him out. Just give me a second. He's coming around. Do I follow him or do I hold? Go. Nate. Yeah.
You watch the right, I'll watch the left.
Okay, copy that.
He's moving far to the right.
Okay, yeah. Where's this guy at? Let me get him. Got him, got him, got him. Got one, got one! Sure. All right, put your gun down! Come away from it! Back up, on the ground, on the ground, on the ground. Stay there. Turn around, turn around. Stay there. Yeah, come, take them out! You have any other weapons on you?
No, sir.
No, sir? All right. If you ever reach for something, pull something, I will shoot you. Make your way. Yeah, come and take care of him. Come take care of him. I'll get the last. Remember, I got a gun pointed at you.
Yep. Hey, that way.
Copy. Almost ate shit. Minus! Bring the hostage! Okay, copy.